If you are a YouTuber, you know very well about the importance of video quality. Even when watching a video, we prefer the highest quality possible for the relief of eyes. But sometimes we have some low quality clips. As a result, even with the best editing, the video doesn't seem as interesting as it should be. Don't worry, there is an easy solution to this. Also, some of my viewers asked for a video on how to enhance the quality of videos. So, here I am with methods to solve this on both mobile and computer. There are free or paid ways. Choose the one based on your need. Before proceeding, please consider supporting me by subscribing and liking the video. First, we are going to know about a desktop application. But no worries, mobile users. Keep watching, there's also something that you can use for free to upscale the video. The first tool is Hitp Video Enhancer. You'll have to install this on your PC. Download the application from here and then install it. After installation, you'll see an interface like this. You can see 4 sections on the left: Video Enhancer, AI Background Removal, Magic Sky, and Video Repair. These are used for different purposes. Here, we are going to use Video Enhancer tool. Now, import your video file here, and you'll proceed to this interface. On the left, you can see the imported files and play the video. And on the right, there are different AI models. Use a model depending on your video type. For this video, I am using the General Denoise model. Now, clicking on this preview button, we can generate a part of the video to preview. It'll need some time depending on your system. See the difference? This is before and this is after. You can try different models and see what works best for you. Let's try another video. I am using this close-up shot of a face. The quality of the video is very bad here. This time, I am using the face model. Wait for a moment. Here you have the upscaled video. Look how much it has enhanced her face. Isn't it satisfying? This AI tool is really amazing. The drawback is you have to buy a subscription to export the video. You can just see the preview for free. But there is free method of upscaling videos too. Besides, you can use this tool on your mobile.
Yes!
First, go to Play Store and search for Wink. Install this one, then open the application. Here you'll get different features. Explaining all of these would take a lot of time. For this specific job, scroll down a bit. Here you can see the Super Resolution option. Click on it, then choose the video file that you want to enhance. In this new interface, you can choose the quality you want. As a free user, you can only convert to HD quality. If you want 2K or 4K, you will have to get a VIP membership. Just check the HD quality before skipping the video. When you click on this button, it will take a few seconds to convert. Now, if you can't see the difference, let me zoom it for you. To save this video, click on this Save button on the top. This is the video before, and this is after. Like this, you can enhance your video's quality by far. Choose the application that is better for you. The links to download the softwares will be in description. If you have a watermark on your video and want to get rid of it, you can watch this video.